Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the crisper cover on your refrigerator. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, before we begin this repair, the first thing we'll need to do is to remove all of the items on the lower shelf on the crisper cover. We'll also want to remove the bins and perhaps any of the items that are in those. Once we've done that, we can start the repair. Now that we removed all of the items, we'll next pull the crispers completely out of the refrigerator and just set them aside. Next, we'll reach in underneath, lift off the crisper glass. We'll slide that forward, and we'll just set that aside. Now next, just grasp the front of that crisper frame, pull it completely out of the refrigerator, and we'll need to transfer parts from the old crisper cover onto the new one. And what we need to do is to remove the metal support rod that's at the front of that crisper frame. Simply slide it out through either side. You can then discard the old crisper frame or cover. Now next, we'll transfer that metal support rod onto the new crisper frame. Simply slide it into either end. Now you may find that a bit tight fitting it into the opposite end. So simply take a soft-faced hammer, carefully support the frame itself. Make sure that you press down on that metal support rod, and then tap it from the opposite end. And then allow an equal amount of that support rod to protrude from either side. And now we're ready to take that crisper frame and put it back into the refrigerator. So again, we'll just open up the refrigerator door completely. We'll slide that frame back into place. And then make sure that the support rod fits into the notches on the inner liner. You'll also note that the center support rail is fixed now rather than adjustable. So you may need to change the position of your crispers. Now next, we'll replace the crisper glass. We'll simply slide that into place. Make sure that it fits down into the recess in that cover. Pull open one of the crispers, support it from underneath. Make sure it's flush. We're now ready to reload both of our crispers on our bottom shelf. We can close up the refrigerator door, and our repair is complete.